Welcome to the Croatian Voice, the news program from Toronto, Canada. This is your host, Željko Todorić. Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. This should have happened a long time ago, but still wonderful news. First, the obvious. The most successful club in Canadian football history still, let's not forget, Toronto Metros-Croatia, the winners of the 1976 Soccer Bowl in Seattle, USA. Sports Illustrated correspondent J.D. Reed writes about the match on September the 6th, 1976, in an extensive article titled "Minnesota Had to Eat Croat Meal." Here was Toronto Metros-Croatia, he says, showing up at the euphoric climax of the North American Soccer League's most successful season, like the ghost of Christmas past. Canadian football authorities have finally acknowledged this fact, and on Saturday, June the 5th, 2010, recognized Toronto Metros-Croatia as Canada Soccer Hall of Fame's 2010 Team of Distinction. Yes, we Croatians, a stateless people, hard-working immigrants, small in number but big in determination and idealism, we have achieved, against all odds, a real miracle back in the 1970s.
Didn't really get all of it. Glover wins it in the air there. To Rodney Marsh. Back to Glover. Scullion. Stewart is kicked from behind. Way on. To Eusebio, number 10. Eusebio has 16 goals this year. On the right for Ivair, a very dangerous striker. Watch Ivair. Crossing and a there's a goal! Eusebio, a header. No flags, it is a goal. Toronto 1, Tampa Bay nothing. A great goal.
Shunned by the established Canadian media as too ethnic, bedeviled by the Yugoslavs, we have sent a strong message to the world after beating the favorite Minnesota in 1976 with convincing 3-0 victory. You can deny our name, you can trample on our rights, but we are still alive. Football is our weapon. Players on the pitch, holy warriors, and with the soccer ball in my hand and the Croatian banner in the other, we will resurrect as a nation once again. And finally, whenever you watch Toronto FC compete today at professional football level, think about its predecessor, Toronto Metros-Croatia, and a small Toronto community it came from. That's the end of our news report. Thanks for watching. God bless.